Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing the Dayz launcher in Steam. Don't leave any background processes running. Once done, back up your mods and the profile folder so you can revert if needed. Then, check the installation path and free disk space while making sure your antivirus or Windows Defender isn't quarantining launcher files. These common blockers cause startup failures. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to repair files and permissions so the launcher can access what it needs. You should verify the game files through Steam to replace corrupted files. This often fixes missing dependencies. Once verification finishes, run the launcher as an administrator to eliminate permission issues, and clear or reset the launcher cache if that option exists. After that, disable mods and any third-party launchers momentarily. A clean profile reduces variables and helps you identify whether a mod or overlay is the cause. If errors persist, move to reinstalling specific components rather than the whole game. You now reinstall runtime dependencies, DirectX, Visual C++ redistributables, and NET runtime Dayz requires. These often fix launcher crashes. If that doesn't help, repair or reinstall the Dayz launcher specifically while preserving core game files to save time. After reinstall, launch Steam and test with a clean profile. If the launcher still errors, check the launcher and game logs in your local app data folder for specific error messages. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.